Welcome back. In this video, let's see about wrapper class. What is wrapper class? Wrapper class is used to convert the data. Wrapper class is used to convert the data. So, for example, string data equal to 20. If I have a numeric value in a form of string, then if I need to do any addition or subtraction, I can't able to do that, because even though it is a numeric value, but we have kept in a string, right? So then we need to convert the string into integer, then only we can do any arithmetical equations. So for example, system.out.print data, if I need to add one more 20 with this data, then it will print it as 2020. Why? Because data is a string and 20 is an integer. When we do a plus in this, then it will take it as a string concatenation. In string concatenation, string plus integer, then it will take it as a string. So data is 20 plus 20, so it will try to print it as 2020. If you need to convert this data into integer, then you need to use wrapper class. So how to use the wrapper class? So now you need to convert into integer, right? So first try to declare integer dot parseInt. So you need to use this method parseInt. So this parseInt, what it will do, it will parse the data is a string, so this string it will convert into integer. So plus 20. If I use the same, like let I initialize int I equal to, so now we have converted the string into integer type. So this string 20 will convert into integer 20. In 20 plus 20, now it will print as 40 at here. Let's see that. See 40. But here it is printed as 2020. Here it is 40 because it is a string. Now here we have converted string into integer. So same thing we can also do in double. Here we have done string to integer. So now we are going to do string to double. So if let's take the same variable 20, and here I'm just assigning as 20.12. So I have assigned the data as 20.12. So now I need to convert into double. How I need to convert into double? First we same like integer. First we need to initialize double. Call this double class double dot parse double. So within this we need to again parse that string. So what it will do? It will take this string and it will parse into double. So it will convert it into double. So if I do the same thing, if I add this to double d equal to, so now what it will do, it will convert this string to int. So 20.12 plus 2, so totally 22.112. so if I print this, it will print 22.12 in this output. So this is how we need to convert the string into integer type, string into double. So same like if you need to convert any integer or double to a string, integer to string, how will you do in Java? So int equal to 20. So now we have assigned int I. Okay, I already have assigned, so let I use the same variable I equal to 20. So now this is a integer type. So if you need to convert into string, then you need to use like string dot value of. So in this value of, if you can pass this integer. String s1. So now this integer has converted into string. So it will take this 20 as a string. If I try to print this, it will print 20 at the output screen in the console. Here you can pass integer or double or boolean, whatever it is. See, what are all the value you can able to convert here. String dot value of. See, if I print value of, it is showing us I can able to convert double into string, convert a character into string, convert double, boolean, float into long. I can convert these values into string. At the same time, one more thing, here we have converted int to string to integer, right? Same thing we can able to convert boolean to string to boolean as well. String to boolean. Data equal to false. So how will you do data conversion for boolean? Same like integer double, you need to call the boolean class, boolean dot parse boolean. This is a method. So I'm just passing this data is a string. So now it will convert string to boolean. It will print as pass. See here, it doesn't give any error here. For example, the another one, see here it is 20, then it will take it as it will convert this 20 into integer. If I place 20 dot a, so now it doesn't, I'm just clicking Control S, so I'm just saving that. So the script is not giving any error here because data is 20 dot a, so it is a string, but it won't able to convert into integer, right? Because how it will take a value for dot a in an integer, it won't take. So during the time of execution, it will give a number format exception. Let I run this. See, here it is giving number format exception for input string 20.a. So it will convert 20 as a integer, but it won't able to convert dot a as an integer. Same goes to apply for double and boolean as well. So it needs to be perfect data to convert, or else it will throw an error. For data conversion, it need perfect data, or else it will throw exception. So this is the wrapper class. Let's see in the next video.